No frightened dog over him first shit. You know what I mean? First impression doesn't always last. In this life, everybody a try get about. And you have some people that are conniving, deceptive, deceiving, malicious, and all of them look at dirty characteristics so you can't think about. But as I said, just in life, everybody have to get by. How are they gonna get by? If you approach them and them have them display them certain kind of characteristics, they clearly are gonna take away yourself. But them have to get by. So guess what? Them are gonna pretend to be somebody that they're genuinely not, just to get by. People in this day and age, me have to tell you now, we don't have to open on the eyes. We don't have to keep them very wide. You understand me? If you do fall asleep, just crack, have one open like so. Because God forbid you're going to let it to them. It's like that fear with certain people. Some people are genuinely evil, man. Yes, man. A Satan a walk in them. Believe it or not. A Satan a walk in some people. So you have to open up funny eyes and fear look to see who are good somebody and who are germs. And the germs, them whole heap, then they're on the place. You understand me? And Lysol can't kill some of them here. Because them you hear them say 99.9%, them are the 0.1%. And trust me, that 0.1 enough. Because good whole heap of good people still there. But you go tell you, good friends still there, but you have to open your eyes and choose them wise. You understand me? So nobody frightened dog over him for shit. Because people will show you what they want you to see or what them think you want to see. And sweetie, when you now look, the real werewolf come out. Family, friends, co-workers, church members, you name it, the community, you name it. You have to be mindful of who you are around. You understand me? Me now say if you walk and skin up your nose past everybody, because no man is an island. You need somebody at some point in your life. But just be careful of who you choose. And when you choose them, be careful of what information you choose to share with them. Because some of them will take your deepest, darkest secret where you confide with them and tell them. And I will take it down and go tell the world. You understand me? When them do them, so them put extra on it. You understand me? So when you tell them, say, and it stop at A, them say A, B, C, and them gone, them add upon it. You understand me? So you just have to be careful. So that makes certain people frightened. Nowadays, some of the man and some of the woman, everybody look a relationship. Everybody want me. Don't know about you, but me want to be happy. When sadness I go, it don't look good for me. So when me happy, me glow. You understand me? Glow all in the dark. Me glow when me sad. When me happy, where sadness I go. But nowadays, it's when you meet people. You first meet the man. Yes, him nice, him carried on a date, him open the car door. On the garden, him open him take out the chair. You know, him give a hug and him give a kiss on the cheek and him check up on. You know, everything nice. You understand me? Not to say he's not a nice man. So now you feel good and you say, yes man, good man still debout. And sometimes you just drop your guard, because of that one shit that the dog made. You understand me? And before you know it, you give him a little something and that's it. Dirty true color start come out. No matter when I go out, him not open the door for you. As a matter of fact, him not even invite you out for dinner. The most him probably do a give 120 that's go and go buy something for eat. You understand me? So you just have to be mindful. Nobody frightened over people. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. If you know C and if you ever met C, I'm a very nice person. People say me miserable. That's how life go. Everybody have something about it. We're not perfect in this very imperfect world. And I'm not seeking perfection. I have my reasons for being miserable. You understand me? But, this is just me. This is what you'll get. There's no worst of me. You understand me? I must like you, gonna like me more. Or you must not like me because, I'm miserable. So, there are people that you'll meet and, the first impression that you get of them, it will live. As long as you know them, that first impression will live through the relationship that you share. But some of them, at one time something them, you understand me? Them come like band-aid. When I rip off the something off of them and put it on, no use not there for that again. You understand me? Just open the eyes and be careful. No frightened dog over him for shit.